If you want to uninstall Firefox Nightly from Windows, I'll show you the quickest way to do it step by step. This is a simple process, and by the end of this video, Firefox Nightly will be completely removed from your computer. If this tutorial helps, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Windows guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, go to the Windows search bar, usually located on the taskbar, and click it. Once the search box opens, type Control Panel. As you start typing, Windows should show Control Panel in the results. Click on it to open the Control Panel window. Now that you're inside Control Panel, look for the Programs category. Under that section, you will see an option that says Uninstall a Program. Click on that link to open the list of installed programs on your computer. This is where Windows keeps track of everything you have installed, including Firefox Nightly. Next, take a moment to find Firefox Nightly in the list. You can scroll through the programs if needed until you spot it. Once you find it, right-click the Firefox Nightly entry. A menu will appear, and from that menu, choose Uninstall. Windows will now start the uninstall process and may open a setup wizard or confirmation window. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and continue through the wizard until the removal is complete. Depending on your system, you may need to confirm one last time before Firefox Nightly is fully removed. After the process finishes, Firefox Nightly should no longer be installed on your Windows PC. If you no longer need it, that's all you have to do. This method is the easiest way to uninstall Firefox Nightly using the built-in Windows tools, and it works without needing any extra software. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple tech tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.